Today on the 1st of October 2017 in Canada. The leaf nets have collapsed over there. There was heavy snow. I'll lift them up in a couple days when the snow's all melted. It's supposed to warm back up, but look it's just horrific out. It's heavy, wet snow and sleet. There's even ice now on the line. Oh wow. Yeah, so, and then the big net over there was so full of snow. I took the garden hose and hosed it off, but I see it's building back up. In a couple days when it dries out, I will lift it back up. That's the only trouble with having nets up as opposed to a cattle panel. The cattle panel is much stronger and will hold a lot more weight. It'll hold even more weight if there's plastic, because most of it will just slide right off. So I'll probably put plastic cattle panel covers up soon after the snow is gone. It's supposed to warm up in a couple days, but right now it's just miserable, okay? It's like cold, it's wet, it's heavy snow, and yeah, that's what everything looks like right now. And that is a horrible snowy day in Canada.